Hello again. This is my assignment for MS Access Chapter 4. This is for this assignment, we had to use Access forms, and specifically the split form. And what we had to do was, you modify form properties to create a new database and this file. And we imported only the books table, which had the following fields and the following data, and used that to generate the following split form. And in order to generate the split form, we had to import objects using the external data tab. And from there, using Access, we were able to import and link what we needed. And we had to look up the instructions for how to convert a form to a split form. And so that took a bit of Googling, but I was eventually able to find out a description from Microsoft, actually. And using the information to convert the books form into the following split form. We had to delete various fields, including the author code, and which is a field that is over here, and then the label from it. We had to delete that as well. And then we wanted to change the form so that it would sort titles in ascending order, which it's doing over here. And as you can see in the table, none of the data is removed, but within the form, what you see here, everything is highlighted in ascending order, but in the table it still has the original data. So this was really cool to actually see, drawing together everything you need to filter the particular data that you need, and then looking at it by individual record. And then we applied a specific theme to it at the end, using like standard colors, the medium gray, and then the integral theme. And then that was it. It was pretty straightforward, creating the form, splitting it up, following the instructions found online.